Just doing my thing.
Hey skiers and snowboarders! Like to track your on-mountain stats? If so, you're not alone. And if you're like us, you like to brag about those stats to your buddies. But what if you could do something more with them? Like use them to compete against other skiers for real prizes. Introducing Piste Off, the new ski tracker app from the Brothers Magoo. With Piste Off, you can not only track and share your stats throughout your ski day, but you can also enter contests to win prizes. That way, if you ski more vertical feet than your friends, you'll have more to brag about than just the numbers. We partnered with local merchants around many ski areas in the western US and continue to add partners who are offering lots of great stuff for contest winners on a daily basis. Prizes like food, drinks, ski and snowboard equipment and services, lessons, clothing, apparel, and more. To get in on the action, download our app before your next ski or snowboard trip. Go to the Contest tab to see what contests are going on locally and select the one you want to join. Start tracking and go ski or ride your face off. At the end of your day, when you stop tracking, all your stats will upload. Watch your email for the contest standings. If you won, click on the link for your prize voucher and enjoy the spoils of victory. If you didn't win, you're still good, because our merchants have offered one-of-a-kind deals just to our users for qualifying. Pretty simple, right? And besides, if you're going to track your stats all season anyway, might as well get hooked up for it. Join the fun today and get Piste Off. Ski, ride, win stuff.